Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject maths. Lesson 13. Time goes on. Topic: Time goes on. One day, Appa brought a new calendar home. Amma looked at it and said, "Oh no, there's a big mistake. The month of July is missing." Everyone was surprised and asked, "Where did July go? Did it fly away?" Then Amma smiled and said, don't worry. I have a fun idea. Let's play the calendar game. Look at the calendar months. January and July look very similar. Both start on the same day and have the same number of days in some years. Next topic: what is a calendar? A calendar helps us keep track of days, months, and important events. There are 12 months in a year. Each month has weeks and days. Let's name all the months together: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Next topic: age fun. Rohan is 7 years old. His grandmother is 70 years old. Rohan says, "When I am 70 like you, how old will you be?" Let's find out. Rohan is 7 now. To become 70, he needs 63 more years. So grandmother will be 70 plus 63 equals 133 years old. Topic: reading time on an analog watch. 1. Parts of the clock. Hour hand, short hand, shows the hour. Minute hand, long hand, shows minutes. Numbers 1 to 12 around the dial. 2. Minutes on the clock. Each small mark between numbers is equal to 1 minute. Each number is equal to 5 minutes apart. From 12 to 1 is equal to 5 minutes. From 12 to 2 is equal to 10 minutes. Up to 12 to 11 is equal to 55 minutes. Next examples. 1. Time, 3 o'clock. Hour hand 3. Minute hand 12, 00 minutes. Read as 3 o'clock. 2. Time, 4:15, quarter past 4. Hour hand just past 4. Minute hand 3, 15 minutes. Read as quarter past 4. 3. Time, 6:30, half past 6. Hour hand between 6 and 7. Minute hand 6, 30 minutes. Read as half past 6. We'll learn how to read the clock by seeing a day in the life of Hetal. 6 o'clock wakes up. The short hand points to 6, the long hand to 12. Good morning. Hetal wakes up at 6 o'clock. Show Hetal's alarm clock ringing and Hetal yawning. 7 o'clock does yoga. Now the short hand is at 7. Hetal does gentle yoga stretches at 7 o'clock to stay healthy. Show Hetal on a yoga mat stretching. 8 o'clock goes to school. Short hand at 8, long hand at 12. It's 8 o'clock, time for school. Hetal packs her bag and waves goodbye. Show Hetal with a backpack walking out. 1 o'clock has lunch. Now see the short hand at 1. At 1 o'clock, Hetal eats her lunch, yummy dal and rice. Show Hetal at a table eating. 2 o'clock returns home. Short hand at 2. School is over. 2 o'clock is home time. Show Hetal running home. 4 o'clock playtime. Short hand at 4. At 4 o'clock, Hetal plays with her friends in the garden. Show kids on swings or playing ball. 5 o'clock studies. Short hand at 5. 5 o'clock is for homework and reading. Show Hetal at a desk writing. 9 o'clock goes to sleep. Short hand at 9. Bedtime. At 9 o'clock, Hetal turns off the light and goes to sleep. Show Hetal snuggling under a blanket. Next topic, measuring time, weeks and months. We are visiting Nana's house. 1. At the sweater. Child, is this the same sweater you were knitting? Nani. Nani, yes. It took me 2 months to knit it. Now it's almost ready for you. What is a month? A month is one of the 12 parts of a year. Each month has about 4 weeks, 28 days, sometimes 30 or 31 days. So 2 months is roughly 8 weeks long. 2. At the vegetable garden. Child, Nani, how long do these vegetables take to grow? Nani, different seeds take different times. Radish, 2, 3 weeks, about half a month. Carrot, cabbage, capsicum, cauliflower, to do 3 months, 8 to 12 weeks. Thanks for watching.